guys! So in today's video, I will be sharing an easy way to contour your face. So what is contouring and why do we use it on our face? The whole point of contouring is to enhance or change the shape of your face with makeup. My face shape is oval, so I am going to contour accordingly. I have already applied foundation. Firstly, I am sucking in my cheeks, which is the easiest way to know where to stop your contour. Now using my Pac Creme contour, I will draw a line starting from my ear and stop just before the hollows. After cheekbone, now I am gonna contour my forehead, and for that I will stay as close as possible to my hairline. This will create a slimming effect and make my forehead appear smaller. Now to define my jawline, I am going to draw along my jaw and around my chin. This will make my face look chiseled and sharp. Now with the help of my thin flat brush, I am drawing two lines on the bridge of my nose. Just make sure the lines are parallel to each other, and the closer the lines are, the slimmer your nose will look. You can adjust this according to the shape of your nose. Now since I feel that my nose is little broader towards the end, so I also like to apply little bit cream contour on this area. Now this step is completely a personal preference, so you can skip it or you can include it in your routine according to your nose shape. Now marking of all the areas that I want to contour is complete. Now let's move on to highlight. So the first area where I am highlighting is under my eyes so that they look brightened up, and on my cheekbones. I am also highlighting the area just below where I have contoured on my cheek, on the center of my forehead and on the bridge of my nose. Now I am taking my angled contouring brush and I will start blending in the contour that I have marked on my cheeks. For blending, I am gonna use back and forth motions, and I will strictly focus on the area that I have made contour marking on, and I will not go further the marking. Now I am taking my Damn Beauty blender and blending in the concealer that I have applied just below the contour area on my cheeks, and I will try to blend it in such a way that the both contour and highlight are blended in seamlessly. Now to blend in the contour on my forehead, I will push the contour back into my hairline and try to blend it seamlessly so that it looks that it is a shadow created just close to my hairline. Now I am again going to use my Damn Beauty blender to blend in the concealer that I had applied on the center of my forehead to highlight this area. Now I am going to use my Damn Mini Beauty blender to blend in the concealer that I had applied on my under eye area, and while blending it I will try to drag it down to my cheekbones so that the whole area is highlighted. To blend in the contour on my nose, I am using downward motions so that it creates an illusion of shadow, and the bridge of my nose will be lighter. This will make my nose appear slimmer. contour on my jawline, I'm first dragging the contour along my jaw and then I'm pulling it downwards into my neck to create a shadow. This will make my jawline appear more slimmer and sharp. After contouring, let's move on to bronzing. Now bronzer helps to set the cream contour in place and it also provides you that sun-kissed look. Now today, as I have shown you, I have two bronzers. One is a little warmer and the other one is darker. Darker can be used for the people who are dusky skin tone and the warmer one can be used by people who are medium to fair skin tone. I am using the lighter one for myself because it complements my skin tone. I'm gonna apply the bronzer in all the areas that I have contoured with the help of my angled brush. Now I'm gonna use loose powder to set in the concealer that I have applied on all the areas that I want to appear lighter. I'm taking this small powder brush. I will pick up the loose powder and pack it on all the areas that I have highlighted and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes to bake. Baking helps the concealer set in place properly and it will last long. Now I'm taking my fluffy powder brush and I will brush off the excess loose powder that I had applied on all the highlighted areas. This will leave the concealer set in place properly and everything will look seamless. After all contour and highlighting is done, I am again taking my Damn Beauty blender and just lightly pressing all the products into my skin so that everything looks completely blended. Now I am taking my highlighter and applying on all the high points of my face. This will make my features look all the more lifted and all the highlighted areas will appear glowy. So this is how I contour my face on a regular basis whenever I am doing that glam makeup. So my face shape is oval, so today I have shown how to contour my face shape. I will definitely come up with a video in which I will explain how to contour different face shapes, because people have a heart face shape, square face shape, long, and combination of face shapes. So I will definitely show you how to contour them also. And if you have liked this video and it was helpful for you all, then do not forget to press that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe to my channel, and bye bye. I will see you in my next video.